Word will often put spaces between paragraphs that you don't really want to be there. It's not a line that you put in. You can go from one line to the next and it won't stop on that space. If you use the formatting tool to see where the ends of the paragraphs are, you can see there is nothing there. You just have to go in and get rid of it manually. Go to the paragraph setting, the little arrow in the corner. Go down, well, first select all of your document, then go to the paragraph settings. Go down to the spacing. If there is nothing there, put 0 pt in before and 0 pt in the after. If there is a number there, just change them both to 0. It's got don't add space between paragraphs. You can also change your line spacing at this time. I like to use 1.5. Press OK, and there you go. In another video, I'll show you how to automatically indent every paragraph without having to do it one at a time.